Dear New Paltz.
Dear New Paltz.
Dear New Paltz.
Thank you for helping me find my voice and realize that I have something to say and I have value to bring.
Thank you so much for all the relationships you've allowed me to build and all the opportunities you've provided for me.
Thank you for your scenic views, your welcoming energy, for teaching me that it is okay to be in my own company and teaching me how to love myself.
I just want to thank you for all the trials and tribulations. It helped me to grow and it gave me some peace of mind. I enjoyed the nature up here and the scenery, and it was very effective when I needed to recenter and focus on what was really important.
We must be kind to ourselves and love ourselves, because this will inspire a kinder, more loving world. Having kindness and love within allows us to spread it throughout.
New Paltz taught me that I need to not just have patience with other people, but patience with myself.
I learned that no matter where I go, as long as I'm me, I will succeed.
New Paltz taught me how to love myself and that I can do anything that I set my mind to.
I'm a very resilient person and very determined, and so thank you, New Paltz, for making me recognize that.
New Paltz taught me that I have to be confident, be proud of myself, be thankful for every opportunity that I get, and to enjoy every little moment that comes along, even if it's a hiccup, to enjoy it because that means you're learning something new.
I learned that I can do anything I put my mind to, and that when I doubt myself, I shouldn't, because if I look in the mirror, I'm like, I'm me. I can do really anything. I can shoot for the stars and achieve all my dreams, and so can you. You can do it.